to see, I did not do the bike today. I didn't do a lot of the exercise today. I'm taking Saturday and Sunday off just for personal reasons. It's not because I don't want to. I feel like my body needs a break. It's been a lot of like going, and I feel like my body kind of needs a break from that and just change in rhythm, and then maybe get back to it Monday morning, our last full day here. So hopefully by the end of today, you saw a little bit of the video call with Matt. We are hoping he's going to be able to come out tonight and then stay for part of the day Sunday with us as well, and see where Sunday takes us. But that's kind of where we are for today. So what I just did was, one of the things I'm trying to do is cut down on how much clothes we pack if we have access to a washer and dryer. One of the things that we've done this trip though was, I was like, just everybody pack one set of pajamas. Well, I've learned that if we only pack one set of pajamas, that means that we have to do laundry during the day, not just change it out. My goal was, okay, we change out one load a day, every night, it'll be fine. But what I found was, if we don't pack more than one set of pajamas, like in the morning of whatever day they shower, we have to do pajamas like that, because we don't do showers like every single day. Like if they need it, we will, but most of the time we don't do showers like every single day. So like the morning that we do showers, everybody's pajamas have to go to the dirty clothes that day, and then we have to run it during the day. So in the future, I may consider doing 2 things of pajamas and cut down on like changes of shirts instead. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I think I could still put like 2 kids per suitcase and still have plenty of room for what they need to carry. So it's not a huge deal, but the goal is at this point, Matt's going to be here sometime tonight. We're hoping to either eat out with him tonight or tomorrow, and we have to go grocery shopping tonight. Like I could have actually tried to make the budget fit to where we could do all 10, 12 days. It's almost 2 weeks of groceries in one trip, but like our budget didn't really have that much flex. So the thought was, since we're in an area outside of Knoxville, I don't want to share too much, because like it's my friend's personal house. I've been saying a vacation home because they're letting us stay here as a vacation home, but I don't want to share a specific location because it's their personal residence when we're not staying here. So I'll just say it's between Oak Ridge and between the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. There. But it's outside of Knoxville, and they do have in this area a grocery pickup. So my goal was, if Matt couldn't make it, we'll do grocery pickup. But we don't have to do that. So now I need to go and sit down and make a list of what we need to get through this house until Tuesday, and then what he needs to get through until Tuesday. And then if we need to pick up stuff on the way home Tuesday night, to get us through until the following Friday when he gets paid again, and we go like do a full week of at-home grocery shopping for 1 week, then we'll do that. But I'm kind of hoping maybe we could get a couple things that we could keep here and then just take it back with us in the bags that we brought to keep stuff cold and things. And then just do that so that we don't have to go back out again Tuesday. We can just head home Tuesday night. Which, I mean, we're having a great time here. We don't want to head out, but like life, you can't stop. You can't stay at the one adventure or you never get to the next one. So that's kind of our philosophy, is like, we know we leave one, it's sad, but you have to leave one to get to the next one. So that's kind of where we are right now. But yeah, the kids also want to. So last night, before we went outside, we actually watched the original Pete's Dragon. They had seen the newer one, but they hadn't seen the older one. And I was like, yeah, I watched it as a kid. So we watched it last night because like it's like a musical thing, and I like exposing to like musicals and different music styles and character development and things, because I personally believe that like movies that emphasize like character development, like strong character development, help them with their creative writing. So I wanted to show them that. So we watched that last night. But now we want to go watch the newer one that we really love. I love the redo of it. The character development with it as well, and the music with it. So we're going to go watch that one. And while we do that, I may be watching, and I may watch it and then go back to it. But my goal is I want to watch that with them, and then I need to make a grocery list for stuff that we need to replace here that we've used, stuff that we need for the next couple of days, and then stuff that Matt's going to need to get through. Like his breakfast and lunches are packed for Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, because I knew wasn't going to have the energy to do that. But or maybe it's not. I don't remember, but I need to focus on that, make the list, do the meal plan, and I may do that as a separate video along with this so you guys can see what it's like when you have to go shopping in the middle of a vacation to buy food for while you're at a vacation home and all of that. I knew coming into it what devices I had available. So anyways, this is already a 5-minute talking video, but I wanted to like kind of share some of that because like sometimes if you don't stop and talk about, one of my goals was I saw a lot of people when we first started vlogging that were sharing like 100% vacation or 100% homeschooling at home or 100% just grocery hauls, but never really showing like how they save money with grocery hauls and then use that in real life meal making for every single day, because reality is some days on a homeschooling day you don't have time to make a full meal from scratch. Just it's reality. So like I wanted to share everything and show how it all flows together in our life on a daily basis. So that's kind of where we are. So I'll probably do a separate video, and I've been doing all the videos I think so far. I haven't edited yet, but I've been filming them to where we would do like day 1 is one video, day 2 is one video, but sometimes whenever we do like multiple things in a day, it's easier to break it up. So I may do a breakup and do Saturday part 1 and Saturday part 2 and show like how we did the grocery shopping for this. But I knew coming into it what appliances I would have available to me to use, and that really helped. So that helped us to save a lot of money on food. But I'm going to go watch the movie with the kids and spend time with them. And then I've got to do meal planning. They're going to rotate showers today. I need a shower today as well. And then I also have something I want to do with them later today. Would you like a Triceratops balloon?
What?
Look, over there.
It's a Triceratops balloon. I think Dawn of the Dinosaurs made it